What's up, guys? Well, April Fool's Day came early for Mother Nature. It's supposed to be spring, but clearly it's not. I woke up to this morning, and Christina had to go to work, and she has the little Honda Civic with the snow tires, which snow tires are great. I did a whole video on it. And there's probably only maybe 2 inches of snow on the ground, 3 at most, more like 2. And she spun off, almost hit a ditch. Luckily, she corrected herself just in time. And we're able to get the car back home, and I end up driving her to work in the truck. But it's a huge reminder that it's not really the 3-foot snowstorms that are the most dangerous. Honestly, it's when there's 1 inch or 2 inches on the ground. This is extremely slushy, extremely slick. So, just, you know, kind of a surprise. You always have to be weary, you always have to be ready, and you always have to prepare. Alright, so here we have a truck that can't make it up the hill. Alright, I'm back. That was actually a super nice guy. He ended up backing up and going a different way. Anyway, I have to traverse some hills here, so I'm going to put my phone down and focus, obviously. But the reason I want to make this video is just to say the most dangerous snowy road conditions are always when it's just a little bit. It's when it's slick. It's when people don't think it's a big deal. Just getting Christina to work today, I saw at least 5 cars off the road. One was really messed up. The other ones were just kind of stuck in the ditch. And it's all kinds of cars. It's not just the front-wheel drive car or the rear-wheel drive car. A truck was stuck, a 4-wheel drive truck, and also a huge SUV. So it's not always the machine, it's how you drive it. And if you can obviously avoid driving, you want to do so. Today, unfortunately, can't avoid it. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. It's probably not snowing where you are. This was just a cruel joke. It was officially spring, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days ago, something like that. And it actually got warm. 65, back down to this, probably, I don't know, 28 degrees, full snow, a couple inches, and it's not supposed to stop anytime soon. I don't know, just weird weather. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.